Hello traders, in this video I'm taking a look at the ICE Storm EA for MT5. And before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. It's a good extra tool if you want to compare different strategies alongside this one. Now, the Ice Storm EA is built for MT5, so we don't have an MT4 version here, and it's important to keep in mind, keep that in mind, okay, right from the start. Now, let's just head over to the descriptions and how the EA works, right? One thing that immediately stands out is the pricing. This is positioned as a very premium EA, so naturally expectations are going to be higher in terms of robustness and strategy quality. You can say that it's currently priced at 30,000 US dollars, and then there are rental options: $300 for a month, $900 for 3 months, $1,500 for 6 months, and $3,000 for a year. Okay, from the description, this EA is built around a trend following approach, but it's not just blindly following trends. It combines price action, specifically engulfing candle patterns, as we can see here, with trend filtering, right? And that combination is actually quite important because it adds structure to entries instead of relying purely on indicators. Another key element here is how it handles risk. Instead of fixed stop loss and take profit levels, it adjusts them dynamically, all right, based on market volatility. That tells me it's likely using something like ATR style logic behind the scenes, which helps the EA adapt to both quiet and volatile conditions. Also, the ability to control trading hours and set daily profit or loss limits is a big deal, especially for traders who want consistency or are trying to manage risk more strictly. That kind of control can prevent overtrading and limit exposure during unfavorable sessions. Now, even though this sounds solid on paper, the real question is always, how does it behave in live conditions? So let's just move into the back testing. We can see the recommended pairs here are EURUSD, GBPUSD, XAUUSD, USD JPY, AUD, USD NZD, USD, and USD CAD. And it performs effectively on the H1 time frame according to what we have here. So we're just going to be testing this EA on the EURUSD pair on the H1 time frame. Okay, the ICE Storm for MT5. I already have the indicator downloaded. I mean the free demo of the Expert Advisor. I have it downloaded already. Okay, but if you want to do that, just click on here, click here, and then open. Right. So I'm going to head over to my MT5 now as we test this EA. All right. Okay. So the ICE Storm, we're going to change this to EURUSD. All right, and we're going to be using the H1 time frame, and we're going to be testing from the start of this year, 1st January 2026 till date. All right, let's start the test. Okay, so we can already see the ATR indicator and the volatility ratio indicator. All right, and we have our first trade executed already, and now we have another trade running. Okay, so if you look closely at the price action, you can see a clear engulfing candle, right, forming in the direction of the trend. So this is likely the trigger. The EA is waiting for confirmation that momentum is shifting in line with the broader trend before entering. So it's not just entering on trend alone. It needs that price action confirmation. Let's just continue. All right. You can also see that the trades are not really held for long. They're not held for so long, right? And also, you will also notice that there are fixed stop losses being used. Okay. And this is also important. The risk management, stop loss and take profit systems. You can also see take profit is being used. Very important, because in volatile markets, fixed stops can either be too tight or too wide. So the adaptation based on volatility is quite important. Okay. Now, we can also observe that the EA is not stacking trades, right? You're not having a lot of trades being accumulated at once, unlike some great strategies, right? And all of that. So overall, what we are seeing is a system that waits for trend confirmation, uses price action for timing entries, it adapts risk dynamically, and avoids overexposure through controlled trade management. Now, in terms of performance characteristics, this EA tends to perform best in strong trending markets, clear directional moves, and moderate to high volatility, right? And it tends to struggle in sideways or ranging markets, choppy price action, and false breakouts or weak trends. So that's typical for this kind of strategy, right? Now we are just going to be moving towards the results. I'm going to fast forward this, skip to the end, and head over to our MT5 so that we can see the result, our strategy tester results here. So in less than a minute, we should have our results displayed. All right. So looking at the overall backtest, meanwhile, and again, this is across a meaningful period, not just a short window from the start of the year, right? About 3 months and 3 weeks. So we can see a balance between winning and losing trades, right? And profitability is going to be depending on how well trends are captured over time. Okay, so in a few seconds now, we should have the results out, and we're going to see the actual number of trades taken over this period of our test, of our back test, and we're going to see how many of them were profitable, right? How many of them were long trades, how many of them were short trades, and the percentage of profitability. Okay, here we go. So we can see that the initial deposit was $3,000 and the total net profit was $1,104. So that gave us, quite a good profit margin. This should be roughly perhaps 35%, a little bit above 35%, I guess. And we see 123 trades we are taking, 58 were short trades, 37.93% win rate for the short trades, and then we had 65 long trades, 41.54% were profitable out of the 65 long trades. And then we can also see that the largest profitable trade was $182.56, and the largest losing trade was $227.5. The average profit trade was $177.17, and the average loss trade was $102.39. Now, the risk to reward might not be the best, but I guess it's fair. All right. Now, remember that these are historical backtest results, so it's very important to understand that they are not a guarantee of future performance. Your actual results will vary depending on your risk settings, your lot size, broker conditions like spread and execution speed, and overall market behavior. Also, since this EA is highly configurable, optimization plays a big role here. You can adjust your trading hours, risk levels, and other parameters to better fit your trading style. So it's definitely not something you just run blindly. It benefits from proper setup and testing. So overall, the ICE Storm EA for MT5 is a structured trend following system that combines price action with adaptive risk management. It's clearly designed for traders who prefer controlled, rule-based strategies rather than aggressive systems like grid or martingale. But like any trend-based system, patience and market conditions will play a huge role in the results you get. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.